What if I told you that you're closer to becoming a multimillionaire than you think? It might sound crazy, but here's the truth. Many people overlook the subtle signs indicating they're on the right track. Imagine waking up one day, realizing you've built something incredible, and thinking, wow, this is actually happening. Today, we are discussing 5 surprising signs that you are on the path to becoming a multimillionaire. Stick around, because the 5th sign will completely change the way you view your future. Have you heard of the marshmallow test? It's a study in which children were given a marshmallow and told they could eat it immediately or wait 15 minutes to receive 2 marshmallows. The kids who chose to wait ended up being more successful in adulthood. The connection is this. If you're someone who thinks ahead, whether it's planning investments, saving money, or delaying gratification, you're engaging in the mindset of a millionaire. Multimillionaires don't chase after instant rewards. They build their wealth gradually, brick by brick. Are you thinking long-term? If so, you're adopting a millionaire mindset. Are you always seeking ways to improve yourself? Perhaps you frequently read books, watch videos, or listen to podcasts about self-improvement. That desire for growth is a strong indicator that you're on the path to significant success. Multimillionaires understand that remaining stagnant is like treading water. You won't make any progress. If you find yourself asking, how can I improve? Instead of saying, I'm satisfied with where I am, congratulations. You're already distinguishing yourself from others. Here's an interesting fact. Jeff Bezos reportedly values his time at around $10,000 per hour. While most of us aren't in the same position as Bezos, it's worth considering. Do you treat your time as if it's valuable? If you're delegating tasks, avoiding time wasters, and concentrating on things that truly matter, you're developing the habits that millionaires adhere to. Remember, while money can be earned, time is irreplaceable. Once it's gone forever. If you are fiercely protecting your time, that's a strong indication that you're on the right track. You know what's interesting? Most people avoid failure as if it were the plague, but millionaires actively seek it out. Every mistake and every rejection serves as a crash course in what not to do. Consider it this way. If you're failing, it means you're trying, and if you're trying, you're learning. So, if you've faced setbacks but continue to push forward, guess what? That's like training to become a millionaire. The more you fail, the closer you get to success. It's intriguing, isn't it? Here's the key takeaway. Multimillionaires don't spend their time endlessly scrolling through social media or binge-watching every show. They are focused on building things, whether it's a business, a side hustle, or a personal brand. Their priority is on creating value rather than consuming what others have made. So ask yourself, are you creating more than you're consuming? If the answer is yes, you're already thinking like a multimillionaire, and that mindset can be a game changer. Here you have it, 5 signs that indicate you're on your way to becoming a multimillionaire. Which of these qualities do you already recognize in yourself? Share your thoughts in the comments below, as self-awareness is the first step towards success. If you'd like to see more videos like this to keep you motivated and inspired, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, your journey to becoming a millionaire begins with small steps, but those steps can lead to significant progress. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.